Welcome back everybody to another video. Guys, today's video, very special video like all of them, but we have the AT4 and we have the ZR2. You can see we got the hood popped here and you can see there's something different. And guys, the best mod that I think I've done yet is these amber DRLs. They look amazing. They're super bright and they completely change the look of the truck. I know we did the AT4 already, but we have the amber DRLs on the ZR2, and guys, it looks incredible. So I'll give you a quick look here at the front head on. Makes it look super aggressive, super mean. I'll show you the connections that we have here as well. It's a little windy, so I hope you can hear me. But you guys can see they provide the connections, and all you have to do is plug it into the headlight. This side is a lot easier than the driver's side. You can see it just plugs into the headlight housing there. And of course we have the running board connections as well in there, but it just plugs into the headlight. And this side, there's a lot of space in here, so it's very easy to get to. Now this side, guys, is pretty complicated. As you can see, you kind of have to, I'll angle the camera so you can see it, but you can see where you have to put it into the headlight housing, and you can see that the access is not great. So ideally what you have to do, and a tip that I learned, you have to bring it down in here and then try to get it as straight as possible to go through there. But you got to use this empty space to the left here of the windshield washer fluid and try and get it as straight as you can to go through the circular opening there and then plug into the headlight housing. Not the easiest, but definitely can do it. You can see it is tight in there, but you can, if you can get it straight through here, then you can put it through that circular opening and plug it in. Other than that, guys, the install's super easy. This side, you know, took me maybe, I'd say maybe 5 minutes. It's super easy, 2 to 5 minutes. Really quick. This side, because you have to try and get it in here to that headlight housing, it does take you a little bit longer. But guys, it's worth the blood, sweat, and tears, because look at the front end now. Guys, it looks incredible. I'll give you a little side profile here. Guys, I mean, look at the truck now. With the amber DRLs, looks incredible. Now, when it gets dark and it goes to your headlights, when they flip on, it goes white again. So guys, get them off of Venom Trucks. Incredible. Great guys over there. Shipping super quick. And you will be very, very happy that you did it. Looks great on the ZR2. Looks amazing on the AT4. Really makes the truck look super mean and aggressive. A little side profile. But yeah, guys, looks incredible. I'll shut the hood so you can get a view. The hood closed. Guys, I mean, looks super aggressive. Venom Trucks is your place to go. They're not paying us for this video or anything like that, so we're just giving you our honest review. And guys, it looks incredible. You can see the AT4 there. You can see the ZR2. Highly recommend. It's like $100. Guys, pay the $100. It looks incredible. Completely transforms the look of the truck with all the black accents, the gray accents, and then you have the orange DRLs, or amber DRLs, I should say. Guys, it looks so good. So highly recommend. The install super easy. Like I showed you, you just plug in the new connections you get into the headlight housing. And guys, it's super simple. It'll take you just a few minutes. The other side, like I said, is a bit of a pain to get to, but once you get it in, looks incredible, and it's definitely doable. Guys, just take one more look. Yeah, it looks incredible, guys. So highly recommend. Get them off of Venom Trucks. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you already have these installed on your truck, shoot it down in the comments below. Guys, leave your questions in the comments. If you're trying to install these, you have any questions, hit us up with some questions, and we'll do our best to give you the best possible answer. But with that being said, guys, like, subscribe, tons of new content coming. And guys, we'll see you all in the next video.